Doge Army, are you excited? We're about to take off. We're about to launch. Let's get it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch. Here we go. To the moon. Dogecoin to the moon. Woof, woof. Dogecoin to the moon.
Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live with our afternoon update, guys, from Vietnam. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are, guys. Good evening in America, good afternoon good morning in Europe, and good afternoon in Australia, Middle East, wherever you guys are. Hey, we got a great video to talk to you about today. It happened, guys. It happened exactly as I predicted, exactly as I told you about. It's happening. We're going to jump into that. What happened, why it's happening, and what does that mean to you in the crypto space, and where we're going to go in October. September's done. We're seeing that Nancy Pelosi, she's delaying the infrastructure bill, so that's good, guys. Keep delaying that bill because we don't need it. We don't want it. Crypto is here to change the future, change your financial future, and everybody out there, we don't want the infrastructure bill. I don't want it. You don't want it. So with that being said, we also got some really interesting news from Billy Marcus. He's in the house. He's saying that, Ethereum bridge is absolutely coming soon. And when that happens, Dogecoin is going to be able to buy NFTs, and that's going to explode, and that's going to take Dogecoin higher and higher, and that's going to be a huge utility for Dogecoin. Because one of the things that's holding Dogecoin back right now is the fees and the network speed. Yeah, the upgrade has gone out, guys, but we still need the nodes. Without you guys out there in YouTube land and out there in the real world, without installing these new nodes, that the speed is still not going to be there, and the transaction fees are still not going to be low enough to us to be adopted mainstream and have Doge being used for utility across all the networks. But the other good news is what we got. Verizon and BitPay have teamed up, and 600,000 merchants are going to start accepting cryptocurrency. So Dogecoin, technically, you can still use BitPay to pay for things in a retail setting. We've also heard that McDonald's is going to have the McDoge soon, so there should be an announcement coming out pretty soon. I think we should get that tomorrow, so hopefully that's really good news. So it's a whole bunch of huge catalysts out there, guys, so don't panic, don't wet the bed. Things are looking pretty good. Don't forget we got this options expiry that's coming on Friday, and it's about $300 million worth of Ethereum that's going to expire, $700 million worth of Bitcoin that's expire. It's about pretty close to about $1 billion, guys, out there. So, we could see some manipulation. We could see some last-minute dumpage by the whale. Some manipulation could happen, guys. So if you see Bitcoin suddenly dropping down, don't panic, guys. Hold on. This is just an outlier. The whales are going to try their last chance to manipulate the market. Some people have been talking about, this is a dead cat bounce before we have this huge dump. That's not going to happen. I don't believe it's going to happen. All the on-chain is telling us absolutely the opposite, guys. So remember, this video is not financial advice. This is just the OG in the house expressing his opinion. This video is for educational purposes only. So guys, let's jump into the content. But before we do that, guys, don't forget to go back and watch some of the other videos. We got breaking news. US won't ban crypto. We had the kaboom yesterday with the McDonald's announcement. So go back and watch that. And if you're watching for the first time, do not forget to subscribe, BYB. Do it right now, guys. And tell the YouTube algorithm that you love this content. And the only way you can do that is to go down there, find the thing that looks like that, and hit it and like this video, guys, because when you like this video, it tells YouTube algorithm that you love this content. It helps push it out. So help get the message out there for the OG. Help get the message out there, guys. We need to, spread the good vibe, spread the love, and spread the positive vibe to everybody out there in the interwebs. Let's get it out there. So this is Daryl, the Ric Flair of crypto, the crypto love, the vanilla ice of crypto. Ice baby in the house, guys. So it's a really great time to be alive. So I'm excited. You should be excited. Let's jump into the content, guys. So Dogecoin founder sets sights on Ethereum bridge and NFTs for mass adoption. And it's cool. Once we have this Ethereum bridge, we're going to be able to have so much happening on Dogecoin. We're going to have smart contracts. We're going to have NFTs. We're going to have DeFi. We're going to have staking, all of this. And this is going to take Dogecoin to the move. And, even those who had this ups and downs, we're still seeing that Dogecoin is in the top 10 spot, guys. So you guys, if you're holding Dogecoin, do not panic, guys. So Billy Marcus has talked up a proposal Doge Ethereum bridge so that Doge can be used on top of NFT marketplace like OpenSea. So if you guys are familiar with OpenSea, and if you don't know what it is, go to my links below and and I go and check out my NFT collection. That's being hosted on OpenSea.io. So go there, check it out, and just kind of mouse around. You'll see what kind of art's on there. But NFTs are absolutely exploding, and I don't think that Gary Gensler is going to be absolutely over-regulating the NFT space, because I don't think he sees it as a security. He sees it more of a digital art. So that's really good news. And also, speaking about Gary, it looks like Gary's getting pretty friendly, and it looks like he's getting frisky, and he could be approving a Bitcoin ETF very soon. And if that happens, it's going to be huge. The first one is going to be Pro Shares. That should be coming out October 18th, guys. So, with that being said, Billy Mark is really saying that, we need two things that will help Doge go to the moon. Is that we need to have the Ethereum bridge completed, and when that happens, it's going to allow Doge Ethereum token to be used for purchases for NFTs, guys, and that's really huge. And also, when we get the Ethereum bridge, like I said before, we are going to have DeFi and staking, and that's going to be really good across the board. Some other stuff that's coming in. So you can see right now the illiquid supply of Bitcoin on all the exchanges is at an all-time high. So that means that the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is at the lowest. The amount of Ethereum is the lowest. So remember, I keep talking about it. It's supply and demand. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins have no choice but to go up, guys. It's going to go up, and we're going to see the 100,000 Holy Grail coming in. We're going to see the $10,000 Ethereum coming in. We're going to see the $1 to $2 Dogecoin coming in. We're going to see the altcoins frothy, foamy, and we're going to go to the moon, guys. So, October's here, and October traditionally, as I've told you guys a billion times, October traditionally is a huge month. Let's just change that, guys, right now. Let's go to the monthly time frame. So we can see that, October is a huge month for crypto. It's an absolutely huge month for crypto. I love it. You love it. So let's get it, guys. So don't panic. Don't panic. We may see some ups and downs and some turbulence in the first couple days of October, and because I think whales are going to try to do some manipulations. They're going to try to play around a little bit. So don't panic with that, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So, some other news, and this is what's really huge. It happened just as the OG predicted. It's happening right in front of our eyes. We can see that, we finished August with 47,000. We finished September with just over 43,000. And now we're on target to hit $63,000 incoming in October. And we're still on target. We're still on target to hit the Holy Grail of $135,000 in December. If this happens, it means that we can absolutely see a $1 to $1.50 Doge coming in. We can see a $10,000 Ethereum coming in. So you guys should be psyched and pumped that things are looking good. Things are gearing up. So let's take a look at some other news that's coming in right now. You can see the infrastructure bill is hanging in a balance. And what that really means is that, they still have not decided on the Hill. Nancy Pelosi is struggling to reach a deal. We got the dams. They all want to take a pound of flesh. They all want this and that. So it's, they just can't get their act together on the Hill. And we're seeing this whole infrastructure bill. It's going to be delayed. And what's that going to mean to you? Well, it's going to mean nothing, because even if they put it in there, it's going to take them at least till, I think, next year before they start enforcing it. And, but overall, they have this whole broad definition of a broker, and this is not going to be good. If you're running a node, if you're doing development or anything like that, and you're just going to see that it's going to be a crypto winter in the U.S., and you're going to see a lot of really key projects and a lot of people going offshore, guys, and this is really not good. So I hope they don't resolve this. I hope Nancy Pelosi keeps stalling, and they keep asking for more and more. And Yellen decided that she wanted to take the deficit ceiling off. So if they take that off, it means that the Fed they can just print money, and the U.S. could be like Venezuela, where the dollar ain't worth nothing. So this is not really good news, guys. So some other news that's going out there: former Fed prosecutor. There's much more to crypto than financial use cases. Regulation cannot be one size fits all. And then this is a smart woman. She knows what she's talking about. But Gary, he is really saying that he does, I don't know what Gary's talking about, but we cannot have a one size fit all for crypto, because DeFi is different, centralized exchange is different. So we cannot have a one size fits all. So former federal prosecutor Katie says that regulators really need to take stock of the fact that we're beyond just financial use case of cryptocurrency. There's much more to crypto than what she said, adding that regulation cannot be one size fits all. And she further said that crypto is not the Wild West, and the industry wants clarity, not lack of regulation. So exactly what we need as an industry is we need clarity. And even if it's overregulated, but we need clarity, because right now we're not getting clarity, we're not getting answers, so we really need the answers, guys. So CFTC charges 14 trading platforms offering crypto-related payments. So you can see that the Commodity Futures Trading Commission has charged 14 trading platforms that claim to offer crypto-related investors but have either failed to register with CFTC or falsely claim to be registered. These websites are also exhibit other signs of being scams. So this is good. I mean, if the CFTC is taking down companies that are scams, I agree with that. So you saw that Kraken got a huge fine yesterday, and I think they were about it was about $1.25 million in fines yesterday. So yeah, we got the SEC, we got CFTC going to town, guys. Sure, if they're removing bad websites, I agree with that. But just going nuts and everyone seems to be trying to take their pound of flesh out of crypto. We got CFTC trying to say we should regulate. SEC is trying to regulate. What we really need is we need regulatory clarity, and that's going to be really important, guys. So let's take a look at the market cap right now. So we're seeing right now the market cap is at 1.94 trillion. It's come down a little bit. We can see that the Doge in the house right now, let me just adjust that for you can see. So Doge in the house right now is trading at 20 cents, guys. And things are a little bit going sideways. Let's take a look at Bitcoin in the house. Bitcoin is at $43,648, and we're still above the 20-day moving average. So that's really good. That's really bullish, guys. So that's nothing really to worry about. Let's take a look at Bitcoin in the 4-hour chart. Bitcoin is looking pretty healthy on the 4-hour chart right now. We can see that, we broke out of this descending triangle, and we kind of went up a little bit. We hit a high of almost 44,000, and we broke down a little bit, guys. But we're just going to be going sideways for much of the day, I think, here in Asia. So really nothing much to worry about, guys. So don't panic. Do not panic. And if we take a look at Ethereum is doing really good, guys. Ethereum is above 3,000. We got our 3,000 support level. So hopefully we can continue staying above 3,000. If we cannot, and then we have this neckline here of the W pattern right here. If Ethereum cannot stay above 3,000, then we could see ourselves breaking down to 2,950, which is the neckline of the W pattern. But I think we're going to hold strong above 3,000 for most of the day. So I really wouldn't panic too much about that. You can see Cardano in the house right now. Cardano is at $2.10. We've got support at $2, and we got an overhead resistance at 250, and we're just basically going sideways. So it's really a nothing burger right now. I think a lot of money's on the sidelines, seeing if this infrastructure bill does get passed tonight or not. So we'll just keep it, guys, an eye on that. So we can see the same thing for Solana. It's just going sideways. People are really waiting for more clarity and see if this infrastructure bill gets passed or not. And also for Solana, we're seeing really much sideways action across the board, guys. So I really wouldn't panic too much. And let's take a look at the market cap right now. So the market cap is at 1.97 trillion, and the volumes are really light. The volumes are super light right now. I think a lot of money is staying on the sidelines, waiting for this infrastructure bill to pass or not pass. And we're seeing that the 24-hour volume is 61.90 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance is 41.74%, guys. And that's too high for my liking. We need to see that come down before we see the alts absolutely start to take off. And let's take a look at the coins in the house. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is trading at 43,642. That's down. We're seeing Bitcoin is Ethereum is down 1.22%, and that's down to $3,000. So it looks like things are starting to turn red right now. ADA has gone red. It's down 1%. It's $2.11. BNB is still up in the green, and that's up 1.4%, and that's at $385. Solana is down 1%. It's at $339. It's below my line in the sand. DOT is at up 1%. It's at 28.71, and looks like a Doge is going down too. It's at 0.7%, and that's at 20 cents, guys. So it looks like things are starting to turn red. So hopefully, like I said, the first week in October is going to be turbulent, particularly until Friday when we have these options expiration, guys. So don't panic too much. It's nothing really to panic about. If by the 8th or 9th of October we are not starting to see a lot of green, then we need to rethink what's going on. Is this the end? Did we hit the double top before and we're going down, down? I don't think so. October is going to explode. Plan B says 63K. I also think it's going to be 63K. So guys, take that to the bank all day, all night. And guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. I got 2,404 followers. Follow if you're not getting notifications on YouTube. This is just a quick one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the likes. I appreciate it. All the love. And guys, don't forget to go to the description of every video. And guys, none of this is financial advice. This is OG Express Pain. Guys, go to Zen Music Addict. Follow. If you need a brain massage, go here. You're gonna get massage. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. Let's get it, guys. And guys, don't forget to support the channel with Patreon and buy the channel coffee. All of this goes to charity, guys. We're helping kids. We're helping the homeless here in Vietnam. We're giving stuff to orphans. You guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. Don't forget to check out my merch, guys. Check out the merch. We've got hats. We got hoodies. We got all sorts of cool stuff, guys. guys. Get the merch. And guys, don't forget to pick up the infamous and famous Mug the Mug. You're going to love the Mug the Mug. I love the Mug the Mug. Get it while you can, guys. So this is the OG in the house. And the Ric Flair of crypto in the house. The Vanilla Ice baby in the house. I just want to say God bless all of you. I love you guys. This is just a quick one, just to give you a quick update. But it happened. We made it happen. I told you 43K was coming in, was going to close out September, and we did exactly that. So I'm pretty bullish that 63K is coming in for October, guys. So do not panic out there. Do not panic, guys. So have a great day. I love you. God bless all of you. See you in the next one. Woo!